So you want to create a rain video and you want to create it fast. So here's the way. You open CapCut, take your background and import it, drag it into the timeline, extend it. I'll make it 30 seconds. Take your rain footage, preferably it's a looping one, saves you time. Take it, drag it, duplicate, hide one of the footage, select the second one, blend, screen mode. Then we go to mask, add mask, and pen. And now we're gonna select each window glass area, one by one. You close it, plus sign, add new mask, and repeat the same step. And because we have a limit of 10 masks on one layer, we enable a second footage. We do the same here. We go to basic, set to screen mode, choose mask, and select all the rest of the windows. Once you're done, select all the layers, right click, create compound clip. Let's duplicate while holding Alt button. And now if you play, you have a perfectly looping rain video.